Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Are you looking for the best way to keep your food fresh? Do you want to ensure your food lasts longer and tastes better? If so, then investing in a food sealer is the answer. A food sealer is a device that seals in the freshness of your food and ensures that the food stays fresh for a more extended period. In this video, we'll look at the best food sealers on the market and help you find the perfect one. We'll discuss the different sealers' features, advantages, and disadvantages. So if you're looking for the best food sealer, keep watching and learn more about the options. Let's begin with the best for the price. Mueller Austria Sealer. The Mueller Austria Sealer is a kitchen essential that will revolutionize how you store food. This simple yet powerful electric device is fully automatic, allowing you to seal your food quickly. The soft-touch digital buttons and LED indicator lights make operation a breeze for anyone in the family. What sets this sealer apart is its dual sealing modes. You can choose the dry setting for solid food items or the moist environment for poached, simmered, or steamed food. This versatility ensures that each type of food is sealed perfectly, extending its shelf life and preserving its freshness. The package also includes medium vacuum bags and an extra long vacuum bag roll. This complete bundle gives you everything you need right out of the box to preserve your food effectively. Nevertheless, it would be helpful if the vacuum chamber were removable for easier cleaning. However, this does not affect the overall performance or functionality. The next one is the best adjustable Food Saver Sealer. The Food Saver Sealer keeps your food fresh in the freezer for up to 5 times longer than traditional storage methods. Its vertical storage design saves valuable countertop space, allowing you to maximize the efficiency of your kitchen. This product also boasts a 35% reduction in bag waste compared to previous models. This means you can make the most out of your Food Saver bags and reduce unnecessary waste. With its custom settings for wet and dry items, this sealer ensures an airtight seal regardless of the type of food you're preserving. The built-in bag alignment drip tray guarantees correct bag placement every time and can be easily removed for cleaning. Another notable feature is its compatibility with other Food Saver bags, rolls, and accessories. You can connect it to a Food Saver handheld sealer for sous vide or preserve food stored in the fridge and pantry. Nonetheless, the Food Saver handheld sealer is not included, so you need to buy it separately. The next one is the best powerful Nesco Deluxe Food Sealer. When it comes to keeping your food fresh and extending its shelf life, the Nesco Deluxe Food Sealer excels in every way. With its 130-watt, 25.1 NHG double vacuum pump, this sealer delivers optimal performance, ensuring thorough air extraction even for larger food items. Whether you're sealing dry or moist foods, the 3 variable settings allow for customization, and the option for gentle vacuum pressure keeps your soft foods safe. The easy lock handle of the Nesco Deluxe Food Sealer adds to its user-friendly design, allowing for smooth and effortless one-handed operation. Plus, the built-in storage and bag cutter makes storing any brand of vacuum sealer bags in the unit convenient. You can also create custom bag sizes with ease. Unfortunately, it may require cooling down during extensive sealing sessions if you're sealing a large batch of meat at once. Still haven't found a food sealer that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. And the next one is the best design, Geryon Food Sealer. The Geryon Food Sealer is a game changer in preserving your food. By removing air from its specially designed bags, this sealer ensures that your food stays fresh, reducing spoilage and food waste. Its multi-layer material and heat-sealing capability prevents freezer burn, allowing you to enjoy frozen goods of the same quality as freshly prepared meals. Moreover, with just a few seconds, you can create customized bags using the rolling cutter, fitting up to 12-inch width Geryon or other brand vacuum sealer bags and rolls. The accessory port and hose also allow you to vacuum seal canisters or wine stoppers, expanding the functionality of this sealer. Cleaning the Geryon Food Sealer is a breeze thanks to its separate design. You can quickly and safely remove the upper lid for cleaning, ensuring a hygienic sealing process. Nevertheless, it would be best if it could suck the air out of the bags a little more. The next one is the best reliable Potane vacuum sealer. The Potane vacuum sealer stands out in the market, focusing on keeping your food fresher for longer while saving you money. This sealer uses enhanced heating wires and a brushless motor, ensuring superior performance and reliability. With its 8-in-1 easy presets and intelligent control system, the Potane vacuum sealer takes the guesswork out of sealing and vacuuming different types of foods. Moreover, this machine precisely senses and vacuums according to the food type, ensuring optimal preservation. The sloping top design prevents the juice from being drawn out while vacuuming meats or other juicy foods. It also maximizes the utilization of vacuum sealer bags, reducing waste and saving you money in the long run. Although it provides efficient preservation, it should have a little extra vacuuming power. But this slight drawback can easily be overlooked given its overall features, durability, and trustworthiness. The next one is the best efficient MegaWise vacuum sealer. This product treats you like family with its mega reliability, ensuring your contentment and immediately addressing complaints. It achieves appropriate vacuum levels and airtight seals in 10 to 20 seconds thanks to an excellent 80 kPa suction power and a high-quality heating wire. With 10 free high-quality BPA-free vacuum bags included, you can vacuum a wide variety of foods and store them in any container suitable for vacuum sealing. No need to worry about finding compatible bags or containers. Everything you need is provided. Furthermore, this device is designed with convenience in mind. The built-in sliding cutter allows you to swiftly create customized bags without searching for separate cutters. Plus, the slim and compact design ensures easy storage when not in use. It's a hassle-free experience from start to finish. The minor issue is that the cord is quite short, but it is not a big deal. And our winner today is NutriChef Food Sealer. It's best overall on all food sealers that we researched. Say goodbye to wasted food and freezer burn with this efficient and user-friendly device. Its fully automatic design and soft-touch digital buttons make operation a breeze. The two sealing modes provide flexibility for sealing different types of food. Whether filling solid items or poached delicacies, this sealer covers you. The NutriChef Food Sealer has been lab-tested for quality and proven to extend your food shelf life significantly. In addition to the vacuum sealer and air suction hose, you'll receive a wine stopper cork and reusable waterproof bags. The medium vacuum bags and the extra long vacuum bag roll ensure you have all the essentials for your cooking needs. Occasionally, the sealer may require double sealing to prevent an airtight closure. Overall, the NutriChef Food Sealer is a reliable and convenient kitchen companion that will save you time, money, and food waste. Okay, that's all for today, guys. If you guys enjoyed this, make sure to smash the like button to subscribe. And please tell us which products you would like us to review next in the comments section. And don't forget to check the description box for all the buy links of the products featured today. If you want to see more helpful tips, guides, and gear to enjoy the benefits of the great outdoors, all that great stuff, make sure to subscribe. Also, feel free to follow us on Twitter and Instagram and our Facebook page in the description as well. For anyone who's interested in camping, hiking, and outdoor activities, click like and follow us. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.